In this video, I get to experience flying two airlines at the same time. We're flying the oldest airline in Nigeria and my experience with them has been crazy.
For the first time ever on this channel, we missed our flights.
It's so amazing. Actually, I love the feeling.
I don't know why he's excited. I'm not excited about missing my flights. Information reaching me now is that our flight was oversold, which is why they won't let anybody else board. Like there was a lot of us, so we were so much that they didn't let us board because the weather was very bad. We couldn't drive at the normal speed. We were going very slow, and we had to take another route because of the traffic and all of that. We're supposed to come down here and use this as shade and walk all the way down there, but stuff is bad. So now people are sitting in their cars and they can't come down because they don't want to get wet. And the terminal is over there. That's the terminal. And for some reason it's blocked off. Wow. We're gonna get wet today. Finally in. And we're supposed to go into another terminal, but we ended up going into another terminal that was closest to our car. So now we're taking a longer route to get there. It's been real, bro. We're going to try to see if we can book another flight. And this is 200,000 naira. I don't know if you guys can see it. Because I was really looking forward to trying this aero and doing this review for the channel. So if we have to change the flights, they can change it, but then we'll have to leave on Tuesday. Today is Friday. Maybe we'll do some nightlife.
Aero Contractors was founded in 1959, just before Nigeria gained independence in 1960. And a lot of people do not know of their existence today. But if they have been around for so long, how are they not Nigeria's biggest airline? Well, I guess that's a conversation for another day.
Actually early today, and guess what? It was raining when I left the house, but I'm getting here, no rain.
This flight from Abuja to Lagos cost me around 80,000 naira and comes with a 20 kg baggage allowance in economy and up to 30 kg in business class.
This morning's flight is supposed to leave for 11:30 and boarding has not even started and it's 11:20. And guess what? People are still checking in. That's not amazing. And on Friday, we couldn't check in 3 minutes after check-in closed. It's God knows a wonderful God. Aero. Time is 11:50. 20 minutes past departure time. And they've not said anything. We don't know when the flight is coming. We don't know anything. We're just sitting here. Aero. Boarding has just started. 11:57. Yeah, I almost fell. This has happened to me before. So there's a bus here to pick us up. Good afternoon.
7 days to arrive.
Taking us into Lagos today, this Boeing 737-300 series. Apologies for the delay out of Abuja. We do regret all the inconveniences. This was, of course, it was due to...
Yeah, so guys, I told you in my last video that Cali Airlines is managed by Aero Contractors, despite being owned by Cross River States. And remember, we're flying Aero, but the plane is Cali. So I mean, don't be surprised when you book Aero and you see a Cali plane. The flight was delayed. We were supposed to take off earlier than we did, but we ended up taking off around 12:30 p.m. and maximum altitude we're at 34,000 feet, and the flight time is supposed to be around 55 minutes, but I think we might be arriving sooner because we just got dressed from the flight deck. The plane is actually clean and pristine. I like it. However, the leg room for me is actually small. So if you are more than 5'11", I'm 5'11", so if you're more than 5'11", expect to be inconvenienced, especially if you're flying economy. And the seats are tight. I practically can't do anything with my hands without poking the people seated next to me. So I feel a little bit choked in here, and there's also refreshments. I feel like refreshment has become a standard for domestic flights in Nigeria now. So I mean, we got this snack box with biscuits, there's cookies, cake, the usual. small pack of juice and a sweet. And for the first time on a domestic flight, I'm getting water served in a cup. You know, the same way Ethiopia Airlines will do when you're flying international. They just keep pouring you. Normally, I'm used to that small bottle of water that, you know, these guys give, but this is not bad either. It works.
This is a baby table for diaper change, but I can't seem to work my way around this one in particular.
Very sanitary toilets. It's nice. Somebody left coffee here. As of right now, we're starting descent into Lagos. There hasn't been any turbulence. The flight has been good. Seatbelt light is now turned on, and we are commencing final descent into Lagos. I actually enjoyed the flight. Fun fact: our pilot is a female. I somehow feel comfortable when, you know, the pilot is a lady. You know? I don't know. I just like it when the pilot is a lady. It gives gender inclusiveness, so I don't know what they call it, but I like it.
On behalf of Aero Contractors, Captain Imola on the rest of the flight crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today and wish you a safe onward journey to your various destinations. Thank you for choosing Aero, the reliable way to fly.
Thank you.
Cali Air commenced operations in 2021, and all Cali Air flights are booked through Aero Contractors websites. Cali Air operates from Aero Contractors hub in Lagos under the Aero Cali agreement, which also allows Aero Contractors to use Cali Air aircraft for its own domestic operations. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you've ever flown this airline, let me know what your experience was as well. Keep spreading positivity, and I'll see you on the next one.